Can I get alimony in Oklahoma? Hi, I'm Oklahoma attorney Justin Mosteller with the Wirth Law Office, and I am often asked by individuals who are going through a divorce whether they qualify or can get alimony or spousal support. Now, alimony used to be a lot more common than it is now. In the olden days, particularly a wife would ask the court to determine alimony at the end of the case. And the courts regularly granted it. And they would grant it in terms of just an ongoing support obligation without a termination point. And the divorced wife would receive alimony generally until the husband passed away or the wife remarried. Modernly, alimony has changed quite a bit. Alimony is now certainly not a guarantee. It is something that is individually determined by the court based on the circumstances in that specific case. And either spouse, husband or wife, can ask for the court to order spousal support going forward based on that spouse's need and the other spouse's ability to pay. Alimony is determined by the court with the object being rehabilitative and not punitive. That means it's not used as a way to punish one spouse. It is used as a means to catch the other spouse up. So the lower earning spouse can request alimony from the court to try and maintain the standard of living that that spouse was used to during the marriage. It is particularly useful if one party to the marriage contributed in different ways that weren't financial. One example that I often give and kind of talking to clients about their situation is to mention my own marriage. My wife and I married pretty young. We were high school sweethearts. And she worked my way through engineering school and law school. And in doing so, she didn't pursue degrees on her own. For that reason, if we were to divorce, she would certainly be entitled to alimony so that she could get the chance to catch up and have a higher earning potential. In recognition of the work that she put in raising our kids and doing all the things that don't earn you a paycheck but are incredibly valuable to the marriage and enabled me to go out there and to earn more money. Alimony must also be limited in terms of its duration and specific in terms of the amount. It's typically awarded on a monthly basis. To make it a simple example, let's say that $20,000 of alimony is awarded and it will be paid out at $500 a month. That's the sort of award that we see nowadays. And again, the purpose is to maintain the standard of living of the lower earning spouse so that they have a chance to catch up and to rehabilitate their situation. If you are facing a divorce in the state of Oklahoma, reach out to the Wirth Law Office today. Our motto is to make law easy, and that's what we strive to deliver to every single client in every single case. Thanks.